February this year, the government took advantage of financial market conditions to refinance the buyback of US dollar 1.5 billion of the Eurobond 2024. The government, through this process successfully removed the uncertainty of the settlement of the Eurobond. The government also successfully issued an 8.5-year infrastructure bond that attracted significant foreign investors, making it the most successful domestic bond issuance in the country's history. Mr. Speaker, these two operations in February significantly improved the market perception, together with a tight monetary policy stance and significant reforms in the interbank foreign exchange market. It has brought stability in the foreign exchange market. As of 31st May 2024, the exchange rate was Kenya shillings 130.20 to the US dollar, from a high of 163 earlier on in January. And this represents a significant appreciation of 18.7%. The appreciation and stability of the exchange rate created confidence and triggered inflows of foreign exchange foreign direct investment, and attracted investors to the Nairobi Securities Exchange. In order to enhance monetary policy transmission, the Central Bank of Kenya has adopted a new monetary policy implementation framework, and this is based on inflation targeting and introduces an interest rate corridor around the central bank rate. The interbank rate is expected to be within this corridor. In addition, the Central Bank of Kenya launched the DAO CSD, a central securities depository infrastructure that delivers world-class level of registry, custodial, and even settlement services for both primary and secondary market operations. Mr. Speaker, I wish to encourage Kenyans and investors to take advantage of the DAO CSD to invest in risk-free treasury bills and bonds in order to grow their wealth and secure their financial future. We have simplified the DAO CSD, and investors can simply use the USSD *866# to log in and invest a retail bond for amounts as low as 600 shillings. This also will be allowed to make investments of government securities all inclusive and include the bottom of the pyramid. Mr. Speaker, the strong economic